How to download files from Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn how we can download files from Telegram, so just make sure to watch this very video till the very end. If you wish to download files from Telegram, it's rather quite simple for us to do so. Open up the Telegram application and navigate to the specific chat where you have the file and locate the file that you wish to download. So just go ahead and then go to that certain file over there. Once you go to that file, here you can see that download icon next to that file. First, you could try tapping the download button, but when you tap on download, you're not seeing the file in your file manager on device. So instead what you have to do is tap on the three dots icon next to that file if you find it and tap on it. There you'll find the option called Save to Downloads. Tap on Save to Downloads and now that particular file will be saved to your downloads, which you can then go ahead and then find it within your file manager as well. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.